Hey yo, what up people? It's V Tech back with another quarantine purchase. And you see what it is. It's the JBL Live 300 TWSs. You're going to pay about $155 once it's all said and done with taxes and all that. Now in this video I'm going to do something a little bit different from my other ones. I'm not going to give first impressions or do any connect test or anything like that. I'm basically going to unbox it, show you what you get, and end the video. That's when I want you to go into the comments and leave me 3 things you want to know about these earbuds. Whether it be how they perform in certain games for lag latency, what apps you view content in so I can go ahead and test that out, if you want me to test out call quality, or if you want to see if they can survive a 30-foot drop and be ran over. I'm not going to do that, but hey, you can ask it. This is just a way of me doing something a little bit different on my channel and try to answer some more of your questions. But that's enough talking. Let's dive in.